Good morning, students. Children, you know we are studying chapter 5, separation of substances. So, today we will study separating insoluble solids from liquid. And the methods are sedimentation, decantation, filtration and loading. Insoluble substances which are heavier than water can be separated by sedimentation and decantation. So what is sedimentation? Sedimentation is the process in which heavier particles of insoluble solids in a liquid settle down. The particles that settle down form the sediment, and decantation is the process of pouring out the liquid without disturbing the sediment. If a solid dissolves in a liquid, decantation cannot be used to separate them. So now children, next is filtration. So what is filtration? Children, to separate tea leaves from tea, you pour the tea through a strainer, which is a wire or a plastic mesh. The tea leaves are left behind in the strainer and the liquid flows out, and this process is known as filtration. The strainer acts as a filter. The same strainer cannot be used to separate mud from water. You know, in mud particles are very small. The particles of mud are too fine and will pass through the holes. For this we need a fine filter. A filter paper can be used for this purpose. And the filter paper has fine holes which allows water to flow through but not the mud particles. Children, you know, at homes and in offices or schools, special types of filters are used to remove solid impurities from drinking water. In these filters, a porous pot made of ceramic is used as a filter. As the water passes through the fine pores, the solid impurities are filtered out. In some of these filters, a special type of light called ultraviolet light is used to kill germs in the water. Now next is loading. What is loading? If the suspended particles of a solid in a liquid are very fine and they take a very long time to settle down, for example, the particles of clay in muddy water are very fine and their sedimentation takes a very long time. Loading is a method of separating up sedimentation by making the particles heavier. So now children, how can we make the particles heavier? Alum, a solid which is soluble in water, is used to load suspended clay particle in water. The dissolved particles of alum load the fine particles of clay in water and they become heavier and settle down quickly. The clear water on top is then decanted or filtered. And children, you know, loading of dust particles suspended in air occur naturally when it rains. The first raindrops load the dust particle with water. They become heavier and quickly settle down on the ground.